Welcome to our video, where I will show you 10 key benefits of drinking lemon water every morning. Let's get into it, shall we? Lemons, and lemon juice in particular, boast a lot of health benefits because they're loaded with nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, and iron. Here are just a few reasons you should add a bit of lemon juice to your morning routine. Number 1. Lemons can balance body pH levels. Despite their obvious acidity, lemons are known as an alkaline food. When lemon juice mixes with water, it helps produce molecules in your body that balance pH levels. Number 2. Lemons support heart health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. One lemon provides about 31 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 51% of the recommended daily intake, RDI. Research shows that eating fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C reduces your risk of heart disease and stroke. However, it's not only the vitamin C that is good for your heart. The fiber and plant compounds in lemons could also significantly lower some risk factors for heart disease. Plant compounds found in lemons, namely hesperidin and diosmin, have also been found to lower cholesterol. Number 3. Lemons can help your brain power. Lemons contain high levels of magnesium and potassium, which help your brain and nervous system function properly. Because lemons also increase hydration, you may also be able to concentrate on work better because you have more energy. Number 4. Lemons can aid in weight loss. You will see weight loss benefits as a result of better digestion, detoxification, and increased production of bile, which breaks down foods and fats better as a result. As an added benefit, scientists say that lemons help to reduce cravings. Number 5. Lemons can help the immune system. Many people reach for vitamin C as soon as they feel a sniffle coming on, and for good reason. Vitamin C has been proven to shorten the duration and severity of a cold. Lemons are one of the best sources of vitamin C because the lemon acts as an anti-inflammatory. It also helps to reduce the severity of respiratory illnesses. Number 6. Lemons can help your lymph system. Your lymphatic system helps your body get rid of fluid in the tissue, transport fatty acids, and helps your digestive system run properly. Lemon juice helps by replacing lost fluid so your lymphatic system works better. Number 7. Lemons are a laxative. If you're feeling a little stopped up, drink warm lemon water each morning and it will get your system back on track. Lemon helps flush toxins out of your system, urging the production of liver detoxification enzymes. Number 8. Lemon juice aids in digestion. Lemon juice gets your liver moving and helps in the production of bile, which lets your body digest food better. Surprisingly, lemon juice may also help to ward off heartburn. Number 9. Lemons have anti-inflammatory properties. As mentioned earlier, lemons act as a laxative, which is good for your tummy and your joints. Lemons can also help reduce swelling and pain by flushing toxins out of your body. Number 10. Lemons clean and clear your skin. Lemon juice is a natural antiseptic that you can apply to a sunburn or a bee sting to reduce pain and swelling. Additionally, the antioxidants in lemons help to reduce wrinkles and blackheads and give your skin a healthy glow. So, how should you make lemon water? Well, to maximize the health benefits of lemon juice, just squeeze the juice of about half a lemon into a glass of room temperature water and drink it first thing when you wake up. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.